In this comprehensive overview, we will explore the 20 professions that stand resilient against the potential encroachment of artificial intelligence. A McKinsey Global Institute study suggests that nearly 12 million American workers may need to transition to new occupations due to AI proliferation, an aging population, and the expansion of e-commerce. AI technologies are expected to automate up to 30% of work hours in the US by 2030, impacting roles in office support, customer service, and food services. The AI industry, valued at over $100 billion has witnessed rapid development, driven by major players like Microsoft Corp, Alphabet Inc., and OpenAI. Despite their remarkable achievements, these sophisticated large language models have yet to attain artificial general intelligence, AGI, limiting their capabilities in creativity and emotional awareness. Let us now dive into the 20 jobs with their IM score. For those that is not familiar with the IM score, here is our explanation. Just imagine the IM score like a game where we're trying to see how good a job is at using special human abilities that robots and computers don't have. The highest score is 60, and it means the job is really good at using these special human abilities. For example, a mental health counselor has a score of 60 because they are super good at understanding and helping people with their feelings, something that robots and computers find really tricky. On the other hand, a job like an event planner has a score of 20 because, although they need some special skills, it's not as tricky for a computer to help out with the tasks they do. So the higher the score, the more special and unique human skills a job needs, making it harder for robots to do. 1. Mental health counselors, IM score, 60. Effective counseling requires empathy, intuition, and a deep understanding of individual emotions and experiences, deeply rooted in human consciousness and empathy. Establishing trust and rapport, fundamental aspects of successful counseling, is challenging for AI. 2. Entrepreneurs, IM score 58. Entrepreneurship involves visionary thinking, adaptability to market shifts, and emotional intelligence necessary for building relationships and inspiring teams. These qualities remain largely and inherently human, areas where AI currently lacks proficiency. 3. Politicians, EM score 57. Politics requires complex human dynamics, empathy, moral judgment, and adaptability. While AI can process data and make decisions based on algorithms, understanding nuanced desires, values, and emotions of populations demands a level of human intuition and understanding. 4. Professional athletes, IM score 55. AI lacks the intricate physical abilities and emotional intelligence that define professional athletes. The human element, including passion, rivalries, and underdog stories, forms a crucial part of sports appeal that AI struggles to recreate. 5. Surgeons, IM score 50. Surgeons can adapt to unexpected complications, make real-time decisions, and possess a deep understanding of anatomy and patient-specific nuances. The delicate and precise movements required in surgeries are challenging for AI to observe accurately. 6. Carpenters, IM score 48. Carpenters create custom woodwork and structures, demanding creativity, craftsmanship, and adaptability. These are qualities that AI can't replicate anytime soon, making carpentry a job resistant to automation. Before we move on to number 7, please, if you like what you are seeing so far, may you kindly click like and subscribe to our channel. This will really help us a lot, and we owe it all to you. Thank you. 7. Social workers, IM score 47. Social workers address complex, personal, and often traumatic situations, requiring deeply human and emotionally sensitive aspects. Understanding and navigating such scenarios demand a level of empathy and personal connection that AI struggles to achieve. 8. Musicians, IM score 46. Musicians contribute a unique blend of creativity, emotion, and the ability to convey relatable human experiences. While AI can compose music, it lacks the personal experiences and emotions that make music truly meaningful. 9. Emergency responders, IM score 44. Emergency responders, like firefighters, require quick physical responses to rapidly changing life-threatening situations. The complex decision-making and physical strength demanded under unpredictable circumstances are areas where AI currently falls short. 10. Fashion designers, IM score 42. AI in fashion design lacks the intuition and cultural awareness possessed by human designers. The artistic flair, trend-setting innovation, and adaptability to ever-changing styles and tastes are elements that AI struggles to replicate. 11 chefs and culinary experts. IM score 40. Artificial intelligence can assist in recipe generation and optimization, but it can't match the nuanced artistry, innovation, and sensory experiences of chefs and culinary experts. The holistic expertise in culinary arts is a uniquely human skill. 12 teachers. IM score 22. Although AI can deliver information and aid in education or training, human teachers play a crucial role by providing emotional support, adapting to individual learning styles, and offering valuable mentorship. Particularly in vocational training, teachers contribute to fostering creativity and precision, aspects beyond the capabilities of AI. 13. Personal shoppers and stylists. IM score 39. Personal shoppers and stylists involve intricate human understanding of fashion trends and personal preferences. AI may assist with suggestions but can't grasp unique individual styles, emotions, and cultural nuances. 14 nurses. IM score 35. Nurses offer emotional support, administer medication for patients, and make swift ethical decisions. Since human touch and intuition are vital in nursing, AI can't fully replicate these capabilities. The warmth of human support becomes essential when one is sick. 15 clergy and religious leaders. IM score 34. Artificial intelligence lacks the human qualities of spirituality and moral judgment that are essential for clergy and religious leaders. These roles involve personal and emotional connections, guiding individuals through faith and life's complexities. 16 agricultural equipment operators. IM score 30. Agriculture often involves intricate decision-making based on weather conditions, soil quality, and crop maturity, requiring human judgment. Moreover, agriculture often involves working in unstructured, dynamic environments where AI rarely performs reliably. 17 welder and molders. IM score 28. These professionals work on different projects with varying materials, thicknesses, and shapes, demanding precise control and expertise. They must make real-time adjustments based on visual and tactile feedback, which AI currently struggles to replicate accurately. 18 electricians. EM score 26. AI can't fully replace electricians because their job requires adapting to complex and unpredictable electrical systems, troubleshooting issues, and ensuring safety. Electricians also need to interact with clients, making interpersonal skills and judgment vital areas where AI struggles. 19 plumbers. IM score 24. Plumbers deal with different and unstandardized plumbing systems, requiring problem-solving and adaptability. They must assess unique situations, account for local regulations, and consider the nuances of individual homes. AI lacks the human judgment necessary for plumbing tasks. 20 event planners. IM score 20. Event planners require human creativity and interpersonal skills to meet unique client needs and handle unforeseen circumstances. AI may assist with logistical tasks but can't replicate, even if it simulates, the emotional intelligence, intuition, and personal touch necessary for successful event planning. In conclusion, the list of jobs that artificial intelligence can't easily replace highlights the unique and complex human qualities required in these professions. From empathy to creativity, nuanced decision-making to emotional intelligence, these jobs demand skills that go beyond the capabilities of current AI systems. For viewers, understanding the IM scores can be a valuable tool in navigating the changing landscape of the job market. As technology evolves, certain professions remain resilient to automation, emphasizing the enduring value of distinctly human qualities. Individuals considering career paths or those looking to adapt to technological shifts can use this information to make informed decisions about the types of skills and professions that may be more future-proof. By recognizing the unique strengths humans bring to these jobs, individuals can align their career choices with areas less likely to be automated, fostering a more secure and fulfilling professional future. Thank you so much for making it this far. As always, stay blessed.